3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 4 miles to the ocean with a bonus room. Check it out. Hey guys, Ryan Corus here at RE/MAX Southern Shores, and I'm standing outside my new listing at 309 San MartinCt in a neighborhood that's very dear to my heart, Pelican Bay. Pelican Bay is located right across the street from the North Myrtle Beach Sports Park, 4 miles to the Blue Atlantic in North Myrtle Beach, and it's in the North Myrtle Beach School District. And the best part of all, no city taxes. This neighborhood is actually in Longs, South Carolina. So you've got North Myrtle Beach Sports Park on one side, North Myrtle Beach 4 miles away. You're on the Intercoastal Waterway, but it's a Longs address, no city taxes. Check it out. Let me know what you think. This home is perfect for entertaining. One of the features that I love is the kitchen that opens up to the living area. Love this little drop zone to take your shoes off when you're coming in the house. Check out this awesome master suite with a large walk-in closet, double vanity, separate shower and garden tub. As we walk upstairs, there's a huge bonus room that has a full bathroom. Check it out. Check out this separate laundry room. It's perfect for clothing. Fantastic water view in the fenced-in backyard. And lastly, what I love about this home is the gated community. It has low HOAs, a community day dock, and a boat ramp to launch your boat into the waterway. If you'd like more information, contact me today.